Okay, so tonight's assignment is number 52, and it's only going to be 3 similarity proofs. We'll keep it pretty light. Page 38, number 1, B, E, and F. So it's B, E, and F on page 38. First one I want you to do is B, and you can see I got you started by putting the given down, and I marked it on the picture as a pair of angles that are the same. The next line, right here, I'm not going to write it so you can't copy it, but right here would be the second angle, which is right here. Angle H is congruent to itself, and that's the reflexive property, because angle H is in this triangle, and it's also in this triangle. And they share it right there. So angle H is congruent to angle H by the reflexive property. Now you have angle. So the proved line down here, triangle FGH is congruent to triangle JIH because of the angle there. That one is done. Okay, the second one is letter E, and the given information is that segment UW is parallel to segment BX. So I wrote that as the given, and then I kind of extended all my lines in this picture right here, so you can see 2 parallel lines cut by a transversal. So if you look at these lines here, you have corresponding angles right here. So angle, let's call them 1 and 2 if you want. Angle 1 and 2 are congruent because corresponding angles are congruent. And if you wanted to stick with that idea and talk about this transversal, then you also have angles 3 and 4 congruent because of the same reason. Corresponding angles are congruent. You could have also used the reflexive angle at the top if you want. You actually have knowledge of all 3 angles. So down here you'll do your angles. 1 is congruent to 2. Corresponding angles are congruent. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 4 because corresponding angles are congruent. Or you could have gone reflexive up at T if you wanted. Now you can go ahead and prove that triangle TUW is similar to triangle TBX. The small one is similar to the big one, again because of the angle theorem. Okay, and this one's a little bit different. Angle seems to be easier because you don't have to find out any proportions. When you have sides, you do have to find out the proportions. So I wrote the given information down again. Now, before we get into anything else, we have to prove something about that. We have to prove that 4 is to 12 as 5 is to 15. So 4 is to 12 as 5 is to 15. Now if you do the cross product there to make sure, 12 times 5 is 60, and 4 times 15 is 60. So that does prove that these fractions are equal. And the reason is cross products are equal. So because we have a fraction equal to a fraction, that takes care of 2 corresponding sides that are in proportion. The missing piece is the angle in the middle, which is going to be those green angles right there. We have vertical in the middle there. So if you want to call those angles 1 and angle 2, go ahead. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. The reason you'll write is vertical angles are congruent. That gives you your angle. And we can now prove that these 2 triangles are similar because of the side angle side.